Today, I'm going to show you how to block crisis and emergency alerts notifications in X.com, formerly Twitter, in just a few simple steps. If you've been getting alert notifications that you don't want to see, this quick setting change can help you turn them off in seconds. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's get right into it. First, open X.com and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the left navigation bar and click More. This is where X.com keeps a lot of extra account settings and tools that are not shown in the main menu. After that, click Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings area for your account, where you can adjust everything from privacy options to notification preferences. Next, click Notifications. On this page, you'll find all of the notification controls for your account, including alerts, preferences, and push settings. Now click Preferences. This section lets you control the types of notifications you want to receive and how they appear on your device. After that, click Push Notifications. This is the area where X.com manages notifications that are sent directly to your phone or browser. Once you're inside Push Notifications, look for Crisis and Emergency Alerts. You'll see a toggle next to it. Simply switch that toggle off to stop receiving those alerts. As soon as you turn it off, X.com will no longer send those crisis and emergency push notifications to your device. And that's it. You've successfully blocked crisis and emergency alerts notifications on X.com or Twitter. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.